Would you like to know exactly what's going to happen in the markets this week before it's actually happened? I mean, I would love to too, but it's not actually going to happen. What I can offer you instead, though, is a TradingView tarot card reading. Premise of these videos is incredibly simple. I take these cards, the TradingView tarot card set, which is a tarot card set that we've customized towards financial and market-orientated readings and predictions. I'm going to shuffle the cards so that you know that I'm not, I haven't pre-selected them or anything like that, that this is just genuine on-the-spot feedback. And I'm then going to do a reading of 3 of the cards as to what's going to happen in the markets this week. Of course, it's purely for entertainment purposes only. Do not go and do anything stupid as a result of this video. We just hope you enjoy it and it perks your Monday up a touch. Let's get to it though, shall we? Okie dokie. So this is a 7 of commodities. And the 7 of commodities is very much about, it's about taking on too much, that there are too many things going on within your portfolio. Usually, diversification is a good thing, right? You're loaded up, you're stacked up, you're filled with things, and as a result, you diversify your risk. But this is about spreading yourself too thin. You're just picking things at random. You're just picking a bit of that, you're picking a bit of this because you like it. It's too much, and you're overloading. You're not concentrated on things where you have an expertise in stuff that you've actually done your analysis on, and you're just kind of jumping on the bandwagon a little bit. This is the inverted 10 of stonks. Now, when the 10 of stonks is the right way up, it is about the market as a whole. It is about this ascendancy towards something great. Like, oh, the S&P, stonks only go up, it's all going well, everything is harmonious, and we're all making loads and loads of gains. Inverted is not. It's not that at all. It is basically symbolic for the bear market that we're in. Okay? Fair enough, let's go on to the last one. And the last one is the inverted 7 of crypto. Now, when the 7 of crypto is the right way up, again, it's looking at cryptocurrency, is looking at, but a little bit more than that, it's looking at gains. It's in the sense of staking and yield, and that you put your money into it and you can expect a consistent return. So, which is fair enough, but inverted, it's about that's a bit of a wild promise actually, that yes, this 20% APR is too good to be true, as has been shown recently with everything happening with Voyager, Celsius, stuff along those lines. So I think what this is saying in the inverted sense is like, be a bit wary of like these things where you're just going to plant it and it's going to grow and you don't have to put any effort into it. It's really not the case at all. What this is saying is like, when it's inverted, the inverted 7 of cryptocurrencies, it's like that is actually a bit of a road to ruin at the moment. So if I was to read this in all together as one reading, I would say that what we've got here is very much indicative of the market that we're having at the moment. We've got that everything is pretty goblin town, it's pretty bear market. The things that were once profitable, that you didn't have to put that much effort into, are now no longer profitable. And if we then could transition on to the individual one, which is this card over here, that yes, diversification is always a very good thing, but don't spread yourself too thinly in just jumping onto projects because you're literally trying to find some alpha somewhere that you're going to correct this bear market by just finding that one magic project. It's not going to happen. Keep your discipline, don't overburden yourself too much, and just focus on the things that you know and you've done your research on, you've done your homework on, and that's probably the best way of dealing with the sort of bearish vibes that are going to happen over the coming week. That's how I read it. If you read it completely differently, that's okay, because these are just cards, so you can. But if you do let me know what you think. I'd love to hear alternative readings. Maybe I've got it completely wrong. I certainly hope not. Although, can you get it wrong? Anyway, that's your market reading for the week, and we'll be back next week. Until then, have a good one, and we'll see you soon.